Do you feel stuck in this phase of your life? Or do you feel stagnant, like nothing is happening for you at the moment? Then please do me a favor. Close your eyes for a few seconds and imagine yourself living your best life, living the baby girl life. You are in the right relationship, you are at the peak of your career, you have so much money at your disposal, you have everything you've ever dreamt of, and you are living well. Life is good. Now open your eyes. Is that picture, the picture you just imagined, is it close to what is happening to you right now? Then girl, sis, lady, woman, it's time to upgrade your life. Hello beautiful ladies and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you 3 key areas that you can work on in order to upgrade your life, to move from your current level to level 200. So if you're new here, welcome to this channel. My name is Yemi of Girl to Mom, and this channel is all about inspiring you to own your life, live up to your potentials, and be your best self. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell notification so you don't miss an upload from me. Now in high school, where I come from, we call it secondary school, okay? So in secondary school, you are expected to meet a certain grade requirement, a specified grade requirement, in order for you to move to the next level. So that means that if you do not meet up to that requirement, you would have to repeat that class. It means you have to stay in that position for another year. Trust me, this is never a sweet experience for anyone, because those people who used to be your juniors are now going to be your classmates. And your classmates, the people who used to be your classmates, have now gone ahead of you. They have left you behind. So you have to make new friends. You have to get comfortable in a very uncomfortable environment. Do you guys get what that means? It's really terrible. So this is exactly what happens if you do nothing to improve yourself, if you do nothing to upgrade yourself, if you're not intentional about improving your life. You are likely to stay stagnant. So I believe that working on these 3 areas of your life will help you to improve yourself and, move you to that level that you want to be. So the first area you really want to look into to upgrade yourself is your image, your physical image. How people see you, that tells them this is how to place you, And I'm sure you've heard a lot of times that people say that your appearance matters a lot. How you appear tells how you will be addressed, right? Yeah, which is very true. But when I talk about upgrading your image, I'm also talking about your looks and also your language. So let's just call it the 2 L's of a good image: your looks and your language. If you upgrade your clothes, your makeup, your skin, you upgrade everything, but you still have a limiting language, trust me, it is not going to take you far. You're still likely to remain stuck. Some ladies have such a limiting language. They have a language of complaining, they have a language of negativity, they have a language of self-disrespect. Like the way they speak to themselves and other people is so disrespectful. So when you speak to yourself and other people in a limiting way, you are still likely to remain stagnant. And you don't want that for yourself, right? Having that negative language repels people off you. It repels good things and good people off you. So look good, dress well, maintain a good posture, and also speak well of yourself. Develop a language of gratitude, of positivity, of self-respect. Once you begin to adopt this new lifestyle, this new way of speaking to yourself, this new look, this new image, trust me, you are not going to remain the same. You are moving more than 200% higher than your current level. Another area you want to pay attention to for you to upgrade your life is your mind. Your mind. If you want to move a step higher in life, if you want to leave this position, then you just have to renew your mind. Don't you take a bath every day? Yes, you do. Okay, so the same way we exercise our bodies, the same way you exercise your body, you are conscious of your body, you also need to be conscious about renewing your mind. Clean up your mind, take away all those junks, and fill your mind with the right information, the information that will take you a step higher in life. Learning exercises your mind, and minding your business keeps it intact. Yes, I said that and I will say it again. Learning exercises your mind, and minding your own business keeps it intact. So when you keep learning, you constantly get new information. You are exposed to new ideas, fresh ideas, new principles, new ways of doing things. And that way you'd get to, move up. You leave that current position that you are. Okay, so make it a point of duty, make it be conscious of the fact that you need to renew your mind. And if you participated in last week's challenge, then by now you have learned something new. You are not going to remain the same because no knowledge is wasted. Just like they say, everything begins in our minds. So please pay attention to your mind. Be conscious of the fact that you need to constantly renew your mind by learning. Another key area I want to mention in this video that can help you leave your current position to the next level is that you should speak up. Learn to speak up for yourself. Upgrade your communication skills. If you want to move forward in life and get to your desired destination, then you're going to have to speak up for yourself in most cases. You keep allowing people to walk over you, to exploit you, to drain you. How are you not going to end up as a people pleaser? And we all know that people pleasers do not really go far in life because you would have wasted so much time, pleasing people that you do not even forget, you do not even remember to fill yourself up. You get worn out, you get burnt out, trying to please people that you do not remember to take care of yourself. And you just realize that you are far behind because you have been catering for other people's needs. So you have to learn to speak up for yourself, to communicate your feelings, your boundaries, your principles, your ideas with confidence, and stop assuming that you will hurt people's feelings, because at the end of the day, if you hurt yourself, if you don't move forward in life, you are still going to feel bad. You're still going to feel stuck. You're still going to feel terrible. Okay, so please learn how to speak up for yourself with confidence. That is another key area that you can work on to upgrade your life, to improve yourself. So the challenge for you this week is for you to get old photos of yourself, maybe photos of about 5 years ago, and get pictures of yourself right now. Of course, that is easy. You can just take a selfie right now and, compare it with, what you had 5 years ago, and write down 5 things that you are grateful for, grateful for how far you have come. And then you can also write 5 areas that you need to improve on, even if it's just a little bit, even if it's just maybe the way you look, maybe the way you speak, maybe the way you treat your mind, maybe the way you speak of yourself, the way you communicate, maybe it's just something little that you need to improve about yourself. It will really go a long way. Now you can do it daily. There are 5 days in a week, like working days, Monday to Friday. You can write 1 per day, 1 thing you are grateful for how far you have come in life, and 1 thing that you feel like you can improve on just to take your life, a little bit higher. Remember, like we said earlier, if you don't do anything to upgrade yourself, you are likely going to remain the same. You don't want to repeat that class. You don't want to stay in SS1 for too long, right? If you really enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're also going to enjoy this video I made where I talked about the 3 hours to rediscover yourself and unlock your potentials. And also, I want you guys to leave me a comment below on any question, anything you want to ask me, because I would love to film a Q&A for you guys for my birthday special. My birthday is on the 29th of July, so I want to film a question and answer set. A Q&A for you guys so that you get to know me a little bit better. Thank you so much for spending your time with me once again today. If you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please click on that subscribe button right now and turn on your bell notification. And also do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Then you're going to have to speak up for yourself in most cases. What? Look at that thunder. Why are you shouting? Why are you making noise in my video? I have to do this again.